Hey, let's take a quick look at how to install some metal edging in the landscape. So I've been using mostly 1/8 inch thick by 4 inches. You can also get it in 6 inch or 8 inch or even 10, 12, all the way up in size. And it's a really good separator between mulch and gravel on the edge of garden beds. And what I really like about it is you can create some really nice crisp lines. So we're going to set up our string line, and usually whatever interior material we're going to install first, get it pretty roughed in. Then we're going to spike it in with some rebar, making sure the rebar is just down from the top. I used a mortar bed to actually set it in place and lock it in. And we're going to clamp up any of those seams that we cut really nice and tight and wait for that mortar bed to harden up. Then we can take the clamps off and do some backfilling up against it, making sure that those lines are really nice and straight. So it works really good with these modern large format tiles and along these garden beds. Pretty quick and easy to install. Just have to make sure your heights are correct, do a bit of excavation. We're going to set up our string lines exactly how we want them. Spike in some rebar, lock those in place. Lay down a mortar bed, lock it all in. Get a really nice clean finished result. Let me know if you have any questions. Talk to you soon.